What is up, guys, and welcome to Smart Online Payday YouTube channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a simple free traffic hack to go and get a lot of traffic on Digistore24 and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. I'm going to show you guys a huge traffic source that's getting a ton of traffic right now. You can go and use it and leverage it and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. The method I'm going to show you guys right here is a method I've already used as well, and I've made a lot of sales from this exact method right here. I'm still getting a lot of free traffic from this exact method. I'm going to show you guys how many people are using this method and how you can go and do it as well and actually earn a lot of money on Digistore24 by promoting your affiliate offer to top tier countries. You can see right here the traffic source right here is getting a lot of traffic from United States. I can go and promote your affiliate offer. This is a United States and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. If you are going to go and follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video right here, you're going to go and make sales very easily. So the method I'm going to show you guys, you don't need any money at all. I don't need any website at all to go and get started with this method and start earning a lot of money on Digistore24. So I'm going to make your first $2,000 plus with this exact method right here, because this is a very powerful method to go and earn money on Digistore24 very fast. You can go and get unlimited amount of free traffic, where I'm going to show you guys right here in this new huge traffic method right here. So the method I'm going to show you guys is copy and paste easy, and it's a very simple strategy that anybody can go and do. Even if you're a newbie that are getting started to make money online or on Clickbank or on Digistore24, you can go and follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video right here and actually implement this method and get a lot of targeted free traffic from anywhere around the world and make a lot of money online. So it's also very easy to implement, so be sure to watch step by step to the end, because I'm just going to show you guys how to go and properly implement this method to go and get results fast and get a lot of targeted top tier traffic and actually make a lot of money. I'm also going to show you guys examples of me implementing this particular strategy right here and getting a lot of targeted free traffic with this huge method right here. So if you enjoyed the channel, just subscribe to the Smart Online Payday YouTube channel. So you're going to get find out posting smart methods to make money online. So I'm posting smart methods on how to go and make money on Clickbank, make money on Digistore24, and some general make money online methods. And most of the methods are all 100% free. So if you have never made your first sale on Digistore24, be sure to watch this video step by step to the end, because you can go and make your first sale very easily and very fast. What I'm going to show you guys in this video right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to watch step by step to the end, follow all the steps and actually implement the method, because if you're going to watch this video step by step to the end and you're not implementing this method, you're not going to see any results. I'm sure to follow step by step so that you're not going to go and miss any of the steps that I'm going to show you guys in this video to go and properly implement this method and earn a lot of money. So that's it. Also want to learn my most recommended method to make money online, be sure to click the first link in the description. You can go and get my most recommended method to start using and start making some extra money very fast online. So that's it. So let's get into this method. Let me show you guys this exact method you can go and use and earn money very fast on Digistore24 and get unlimited amount of free traffic and make a lot of money. So let's get into the method, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into this method. Let me show you guys how I can go and use this and make money as soon as today using this free method right here. I'm going to show you guys examples of me using this method as well and implement this method to get a lot of free traffic to my affiliate offers. You can go and do this and earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. All you're going to do is you're going to watch step by step, take action on the method. You're going to see results guaranteed with this free method. So you're going to go right here, you're going to go to the marketplace. Next, you're going to look for a high converting offer that you can go use and promote and earn a lot of money. From here, for example, Medical is the top selling product right here, and this is physical price weight loss offer right here. You can see there are a lot of offers here that actually convert very well. What the best thing is to go and promote this is by promoting weight loss offers. So I'm going to show you guys to go and promote this, promoting weight loss offers very easily and earn a lot of money. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on physical. You click on physical product right here. You're going to see supplements right here. Click on supplements. You're going to find a lot of products on the Digistore24 affiliate marketplace that actually convert very well, and they are all physical products. You can see Medical is still the first. You can see right here the second one is called Still by Pro. You can see the third one, Sonus Complete. You can see Diabetes. All these are all physical products right here. So I scroll down, you're going to find a lot more. If I go to page 2, you're still going to find a lot of products right here that are all physical products. What you're going to do is you're going to choose one of these and promote. And we're going to choose weight loss offers because they actually convert a lot better. So let's check out this one. You can see this is a weight loss offer, a new weight loss offer right here that actually converts very well right here. So you can see the price average at up to $144 per sale. You can go and get paid $37 per sale right here. What you're going to start is you're going to start make a lot more money in the upsell if you're going to actually promote these different affiliate offers right here. So let's go and check out the affiliate offer. You can see right here, cancellation rate, the refund rate is very low at 4.2%. So always go and make sure that promoting actually has a refund rate of at least less than 10%, which means that many people that are buying this affiliate offer are not actually refunding. So if you're going to promote this offer, you're not going to have a lot of refunds. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check the sales page of the offer. So let's check the sales page. We're going to go to affiliate support page. You're going to find out a lot more information about promoting this offer. You can see this is a sales page. You can see right here, this is actually a physical product. When I reload this, you're going to see this is a physical product and also it converts very well. So go to affiliate tools area, you can go and find out a lot more information about promoting this. You can see you can get up to $190 plus per se. You can see the earnings per click at up to $3. So this is actually very high and also has very low refunds as it's being showed on the affiliate tools area right here. What I'm going to do is you're going to promote this offer right here and actually make a lot of money. You can see these are the front end offers. You can see there's a lot of upsells inside the funnel. All we have to do is you're going to drive a lot of very targeted traffic, because you're not going to get a lot of targeted traffic, you're not going to actually make money with this method right here. So pay close attention, because I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to go and get a lot of targeted free traffic and earn a lot of money by promoting these offers right here on Digistore24 very fast. So the first thing you want to do is that since you are promoting this offer and it's a weight loss offer, so pay very close attention. It's a weight loss offer right here that's going to pay you a high commission per sale. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to website. It's called Instagram. So go to Instagram. Pay very close attention, because you're not going to use Instagram to go and promote this offer right here. So you're not going to go and use Instagram. What you're going to do is they're going to go to Instagram and going to look for content on Instagram to go and actually use and promote your affiliate offer. So pay very close attention. So the first thing you want to do is once you go to Instagram, you're going to type example weight loss, weight loss videos. You're going to look for videos on Instagram right here. You can see I just have example weight loss videos. You're going to find a lot of accounts about weight loss videos, so they have a lot of weight loss videos. So let me just look for this one. Let me open. If I scroll, you're going to find a lot of this type of accounts right here. So let me just open this one right here. Most of this actually post a lot of fitness videos, and many people are interested in losing weight actually watch a lot of these different videos right here. So let's check out the other accounts. You can see this a lot of weight loss videos. You can see they still get a lot of views as well on Instagram, but we're going to use this and promote it on another free traffic source. So pay close attention, because this is not going to be promoting affiliate offers on Instagram. You can see right here, so this one is a private account. This is another account that I found. You can see this one right here, weight loss videos. It has a lot of weight loss videos. What you're going to do next is you're going to go and download all these weight loss videos from here, and you're going to go and use these weight loss videos to go and promote your affiliate offer on another platform other than Instagram. So what you're going to do is you can see right here, these are weight loss videos. What you're going to do is you're going to download this video. So let me show you guys an example. So let me click on this one for example. You're going to copy the URL of this Instagram video right here. So let me show you guys. You're going to copy the URL right here. Copy the URL. Next, you're going to go and download these videos right here. So I recommend posting at least 10 videos per day. If you're going to do this, as I'm going to show you guys, you're going to earn a lot of money. Once you copy the URL, you're going to go to websites called ingrammer.com. As I show you guys right here, it's going to enable you to go and download these videos very easily. Once you go to ingrammer.com, you can see here photo downloader for Instagram. So click on this. So we're going to yes, both video and Instagram photo downloader. So you can see here. So this right here is for pictures. So you're going to click on video, and you're going to go and post that video URL right here. So click on video. It's going to load the video page, and you're going to go and actually paste your URL under the video page. You can say yes, it's under video right here. So paste your URL and click on search. It's going to search, and it's going to go and download that video very easily. I'm going to use it with this huge traffic source, guys. So pay close attention, because it's a 100% working method that you can go and use and actually earn a lot of money very easily on complete autopilot. So you can see right here, it's going to go and load the video. So this is our exact video right here. So click on download. Once you click on download right here, you can see it's already downloaded a very short video. What you're going to do next, they're going to go and promote this affiliate offer by using Pinterest. So pay very close attention. So Pinterest is one of the best traffic sources to go and use and actually promote your own affiliate offer right here. So let me show you guys a simple test that I did right here. So I said this is a weight loss video that I posted on my Instagram page, on my Pinterest page right here a few months ago. So this was just an example post on my Instagram page. You can see it's a very simple video. You can see It's only 22 seconds video of a workout video right here, and I'm promoting my affiliate offer right here on this example. So this is actually my video. I can see here it goes up to 3,000 views, guys. So if you're going to post, for example, an image on Pinterest, most of the time you're going to give, for example, 10 to 20 views. I can see this one got up to 3,000 views, and it's because it's a video, and videos tend to get a lot more engagement on Pinterest. So I recommend you can go and post a lot of videos on Pinterest to go and get a lot of traffic. So if I click, for example, on see more stats, so let me click on see more stats. You can see right here the videos are actually getting a lot of views every day, guys. You can see right here from this one video, you can see I got up to 281 clicks from here, and I got 2 sales from promoting my affiliate offer using this exact method right here. So let's say I got up to 286 clicks, 281 clicks, and this is just from one pin, guys. So it's on one pins. So just imagine that I go to and post, for example, 10 pins a day, and these are video pins. Imagine how much traffic you're going to be getting per month from promoting your affiliate offer on Pinterest by using these video pins secret that I'm showing you guys in this video right here. You're going to actually get a lot of targeted traffic, and you can go and make a lot of money very fast. You can see this is just one experimental video that I posted. You can see almost 300 clicks from one video. You can see the engagement is going up, and a lot more people are finding this video right here, because videos tend to get a lot more engagement than images on Pinterest. So always go and make sure you're going to go and post a lot of videos on Pinterest. So you can see I'm already getting a lot of free traffic from this one pin right here. So let me show you guys one of my example pins as well. You can see this one is another video pin. It has only 10 seconds. You can see it got up to 1,000 views on this particular website, right? You can see I got up to 100 clicks, right? You can see up to 100 clicks from a simple video. So if you're going to post an image, most of the time you're not going to get a lot of clicks like this. Most of the time you're going to get, for example, between 5 to 10 clicks as the most. But you can see this one, these are video pins, and they actually get a lot more clicks and actually get a lot more exposure on Pinterest. What you're going to do is you're going to download all these videos from Instagram, and you're going to post them back on Pinterest. You're going to link people back to your own Digistore24 affiliate offer, or if you're promoting a product on Clickbank, you can go and use this as well and actually earn a lot of money. So once I've downloaded that video using Ingram, as I've shown you guys from here, what you're going to do is you're going to create a Pinterest account related to your niche. So you're promoting, for example, weight loss offers. You're going to create an Instagram account about weight loss, and you're going to go and create pins about your niche and post them back on Pinterest. So once I've gone to Pinterest, you can just go and click on create pin, and next you're just going to go and upload your video on this website. You're going to write a simple description. I'm going to link people back to your Digistore24 affiliate offer. So from here, I'm just going to upload the video. So let me click on upload. So you can see, guys, so this is a video that's already uploaded on this website right here, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to write a simple headline. For example, learn my secret to lose weight. My secret. And that's the, guys. Next, you're just going to write a simple description from here. So let me just go, for example, to the post. I can just go and copy some from here. So let me just copy for this. That can just be my simple description from here. And next, you're going to write, for example, join our weight loss journey. So let me just copy this for this example. I'm just going to use it inside my pin. So let me just paste it right here. Wait for amazing transformation. Join our free. So let me just write, for example, join our weight loss challenge. That's, guys, that can be a simple description right here. So let me write, for example, a link above. And that's, guys, next you're going to input a link back to your affiliate offer from here. So you're going to input a link back to your Digistore24 affiliate offer. And what I recommend from here is you can go and use, for example, Linktree or Blogger Blog to go and actually link people back to your affiliate offer. So you don't want to go and paste your affiliate link directly on Pinterest, because sometimes your affiliate links can get blocked on Pinterest. But right now, Digistore24 affiliate links are not getting blocked on Pinterest. But I recommend that you can go and use, for example, Linktree, so that your links are never going to get blocked on this website. What you can do from here is you can go and add, for example, tags. So people are going to use this to go and actually find your video on this website. You can go and use, for example, fitness. So you have, for example, fitness. And that can be your tags on this website. So for example, fitness and exercise, weight loss. And that's, guys, that can be your different tags on this website. I'm just going to leave this to as an example. So that's, guys, what you're going to do next from here is you can just go and click on input your affiliate link from here. So let me just go, for example, to Digistore24 and click on promote. and you can just go and get your affiliate link from here. So for this one, you can start here. So for the affiliate partnership, you have to go and wait for 2 days before you can get approved. So let me just click on close. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to choose another affiliate offer here. So that would be the advantage about promoting affiliate offers, because if another affiliate offer is not accepting you or is not longer available, you can just go and change and promote another affiliate offer. It's going to go and actually convert. So I'm going to go and promote this one about Talks Gold. It's also a weight loss offer. So you just copy affiliate link, and that's, guys, we're just going to go and paste it right here as our affiliate link. So I recommend that you're not going to input your affiliate link directly on Pinterest. I recommend that you can go use, for example, Linktree, so your links are never going to get blocked right now, because you can go and post like this. One day Pinterest can go and actually remove your affiliate links from here, but right now it's being accepted on Pinterest. Next, you're just going to go and create a simple bot from here. So I'm just going to create a bot. I'm just going to post this in a new bot right here. So I'm just click on create new bot. You can just go and write, for example, weight loss, for example, weight loss success, and that's, guys, I can just go and click on create, and that's, guys, going to be created. I can go and post it on that board. I'm going to be getting a lot of free traffic, because they actually, video pins actually get a lot more engagement on this website. So that's, guys, so that's how easy it is for you to go and do. So just click on publish, and that's, guys, is going to be published, and many people are going to go and watch this video. And once you watch this video, many of them are going to click and go back to your affiliate offer, guys, and you can go and actually make a lot of money from this simple method I'm showing, guys, in this video, because this is 100% working method. Many people are using this already, and I'm already using this method also to go and promote my affiliate offers on Clickbank and on Digistore24. So that's, guys, you can see our video has already been uploaded. So this is our video right here. Click, for example, on see your pin, and that's, guys, going to show me my pin, and it's going to have a link back to my Digistore24 affiliate offer. So let me click on see your pin right here. Sorry, it's going to load our pin, and this is our video pin right here. So you can see this is a video. So let me just pause the video. You can see these are the Digistore24 affiliate link. If anybody watches this video and click on this, take them straight back to our affiliate offer. So that's, guys, so there's simple method to go and use and actually earn a lot of money on Clickbank and on Digistore24, and anybody that's going to go and do this can actually go and make a lot of money. And the secret to make money with this method is actually taking action. If you're going to watch this video step by step to the end, as I've shown you guys right here, till now, and you're not going to take any action, you're not going to see any results. As I've shown you guys, this method 100% work, and anybody that's going to take action on this method is going to go and see results with this method right here. If you go, for example, to Pinterest and type, for example, weight loss, and type, for example, lose weight, and click on search, you're going to find a lot of different image pins from here. So you can see right here, you're going to find a lot of different image pins that many people are posted right here. You can see here what is ranking at the top. So what is ranking at the top is a video. So many people are watching a lot more videos than images on Pinterest right now. Go and take advantage of this method and get a lot of free traffic and earn a lot of money. If I search, for example, by video pins, you're going to find a lot of videos that many people are already posting, and are promoting that different affiliate offers. I can go and take advantage of this right here. So that's, guys, so be sure to share this video so that others can go and benefit from this method as well, and use it and start making some money very fast online. So that's, guys, take action on this method, and I'll see you in the next video.